Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So, without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's topic is about newspapers. Newspapers are a very important part of our daily life. They give us news from our country and from all over the world. Every morning, many people wait for the newspaper with a cup of tea. In a newspaper, we can read about politics, sports, education, business, and entertainment. It helps us to know what is happening around us and makes us more aware as citizens. Students can improve their reading skills and learn new words by reading newspapers every day. Newspapers also share weather reports, job news, and useful advertisements. Many people like to read the opinion page because it shows different ideas and thoughts. Even in this age of modern phones and the internet, newspapers still have a strong value. They give true and detailed information in a simple way. Reading newspapers can build good habits and increase knowledge step by step. It also helps us to think clearly about society and the world. For me, a day feels incomplete without reading the newspapers. I believe everyone should spend at least a few minutes with a newspaper daily because it is like a window to the world and a good friend that teaches us something new every day. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.